Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to start a call in Microsoft Teams in just a few simple steps. First, open the chat with the person you want to call. I'm opening Test Meeting 2026 from my chat list. The chat window fills the main area with your message history at the top. At the top of the chat you'll see a Join button. Click that to start the call, then click Continue without audio or video when the browser permission dialog appears. Teams needs to check your device access before connecting you to the meeting. The pre-join screen opens where you can check your audio and video settings before entering the call. You'll see a preview of your camera feed in the center, with mic and camera toggle buttons below it so you can choose whether to join with them on or off. If you see mic or camera access errors, you can still join. Teams will ask for permissions once you're in the call. You don't need to sort out device permissions before joining, just proceed and grant access when prompted inside the meeting. Click Join Now at the bottom right to connect to the call. The screen changes to connecting and then drops you into the meeting room. Your video feed appears in the main window and you'll see other participants' tiles load in as Teams establishes the connection. You're now in the call and you'll see the meeting controls at the bottom: mute, camera, share screen, and the red hang up button. Hover over the screen if the controls hide themselves, and they'll slide back up so you can manage your audio and video during the call. If your mic or camera isn't working after joining, check the browser permissions by clicking the padlock icon in the address bar and make sure Teams has access. You can toggle your mic and camera on and off at any time during the call using the controls at the bottom. For scheduled meetings, you can also use the Calendar tab to join. It shows all your upcoming calls in one place. If you need to leave the call, just click the red hang up button on the right side of the control bar. And that's how to start a call in Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.